And the men of Kiriath-jearim came and took up the ark of the Lord and brought it to the house of Abinadab, which was on the hill. They designated Eleazar his son to guard the ark of the Lord, and it was that from the day the ark was stationed at Kiriath-jearim that the time ran on to 20 years, and all the house of Israel were drawn after the Lord. Samuel said to all the house of Israel, saying, if with all your heart you are returning to the Lord, remove the foreign gods from your midst and the Ashtaroth, and direct your heart toward the Lord, and serve him alone, and he will save you from the hand of the Philistines. And the children of Israel said to Samuel, cease not to cry out to the Lord our God for us, that he save us from the hand of the Philistines. Samuel took one sucking lamb and offered it up as a burnt offering entirely to the Lord, and Samuel cried out to the Lord on behalf of Israel. And the Lord answered him, and as Samuel was offering up the burnt offering, the Philistines drew near for war against Israel, and the Lord thundered with a loud noise on that day upon the Philistines and threw them into a panic, and they were beaten before Israel. The men of Israel went forth from Mizpah and pursued the Philistines and harassed them until they were below Bethkar, and Samuel took one stone and placed it between Mizpah and the peak Shan, and he called its name Ebenezer, for he said, hitherto the Lord has helped us. The Philistines were subdued, and they came no more into the border of Israel, and the hand of the Lord was upon the Philistines all the days of Samuel. And the cities which the Philistines had taken from Israel were restored to Israel, from Ekron to Gath, and their border Israel delivered from the hand of the Philistines. And there was peace between Israel and the Amorites. Samuel judged Israel all the days of his life, and from year to year he would send forth and go around to Bethel and Gilgal and Mizpah, and he would judge Israel in all these places. And his return was to Ramah, for there was his house, and there he judged Israel, and he built there an altar to the Lord.